Welcome to class 7. First topic is integers. Already you have learned this topic in class 6. But this year you are going to learn some properties of integers. Before going to learn properties of integers, let us recall some basics which you have learned last year. The collection of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, dash dash dash, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dash 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 is called integers. The numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dash 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 are called negative integers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, dash 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 are called positive integers. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, dash 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 are called non-negative integers. The integers are represented on the number line as follows. All the positive integers lie to the right of 0 and the negative integers to the left of 0 on the number line. To add two negative integers, we add the corresponding positive integer and retain the negative sign with the sum. For example, minus 2 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 10. In this example, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So, we should assign negative sign to 10. Very important concept. To add a positive integer and a negative integer, we ignore the sign and subtract integer with smaller numerical value from the integer with larger numerical value and take the sign of the larger one. For example, 20 plus minus 8 is equal to 12. In this example, first, we should subtract 8 from 20, that is 12. Since greater value 20 is having a positive sign, therefore, we should assign positive sign to the difference 12. Let us take another example. Minus 20 plus 8 is equal to minus 12. In this example, first we should subtract 8 from 20, that is 12. Since greater value 20 is having minus sign, therefore we should assign minus sign to the difference 12. On a number line, when we add a positive integer, we move to the right. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. When we add a negative integer, we move to the left. For example, 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 1. When we subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. For example, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. When we subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. For example, 2 minus of minus 3 is equal to 5. If the sum of two integers is 0, then they are called additive inverses of each other. They are also called the negatives of each other. Since 20 plus of minus 20 is equal to 0, therefore 20 is the additive inverse of minus 20 and minus 20 is the additive inverse of 20. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in a degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Statement A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Solution. Temperature of Lahaul Spiti is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Simla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is equal to 14 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Bengaluru is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. Statement B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Solution. Since the temperature of hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius and the coldest place is minus 8 degrees Celsius, therefore the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places is equal to 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 22 degrees Celsius minus into minus plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Statement C. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Solution. Since the temperature of Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and minus 2 is greater than minus 8. Therefore, the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Statement D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Solution. The temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. But 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Since the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, that is 3 degrees Celsius, is greater than the temperature of Srinagar, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Solution. Jack's total score at the end of 5 rounds is equal to 25 plus 15 plus 10 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 is equal to 50 plus of minus 15 is equal to 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Solution. Since the temperature of Srinagar on Monday was minus 5 degrees Celsius and it was dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, therefore the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday was -7 degrees Celsius and it was rose by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday is equal to -7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius is equal to -3 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Solution. Since the distance between plane and sea level is equal to 5000 meters and the distance between submarine and sea level is equal to 1200 meters, therefore the vertical distance between plane and submarine is equal to 5000 meters plus 1200 meters is equal to 6200 meters. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Solution. Since withdrawal of amount is represented by a negative integer, therefore amount deposited will be represented by a positive integer. Since amount deposited is equal to rupees 2000 and amount withdrawn is equal to rupees 1642, therefore balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is equal to rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642 is equal to rupees 358. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Solution. The distance travelled towards west is represented by a negative integer. The distance moved towards east is equal to 20 kilometers and the distance moved towards west is equal to minus 30 kilometers. Since 20 plus minus 30 is equal to minus 10, therefore the final position is represented by minus 10.